year on 8th of March, International Women's Day is celebrated across the globe. It's a day to recognize female achievement and a call to action encouraging everyone to stand up for women's rights and gender equality. Gender equality means no matter your gender, you are granted the same right, privileges, and access to the opportunities as everyone else. You may be thinking, why is this day so important? Throughout history, women had to fight for the freedom and rights we enjoy today. So, how did things change? Women had all the rights. Change occurred gradually through the tireless effort of brave women and men fighting together for what is right. These changes are made by strong women who overcome the odds to motivate, who inspired us to rise, to regrow with smile, to live together, to be happy in the worst situation, to be beautiful, to behold, to read, to be confident, to bring change, to be independent, to succeed together. And today we will be seeing some great women who inspired us throughout. It is well said that behind every successful person there is a hand of a strong woman, and then hands are of a mother. It's because of you we have the vision to reach our dreams and grit to push through the challenges. Thank you for making us strong. Thank you for your unconditional love that you show towards me. Thank you for building the sense of faith. Thank you for encouraging me to be the best. And thank you for being compassionate, loving, inspiring, and strong woman of my life. More than 3,000 songs, a voice which has mesmerized us for 7 decades. Lata Mangeshkar, the Melody Queen. At age 5, she started learning music. At the age of 13, she became responsible for her 4 siblings and mother. She was rejected in several auditions for the playback singing. She further struggled for 6 years. Very soon, people started calling her Nightingale of India and Queen of Melody. She sang for over 7 decades. She has won several awards in India and across the globe. She stood tall in all otherwise male-dominated industry and became the only Nightingale of India. You know, there was a time when women were not allowed to step out from their home, and getting a proper education was just like a dream. But Kalpana Chawla broke all those stereotypes and gave wings to her dreams.
When a child laughs, 1,000 angels are born. When a child dares to dream to reach the stars and traverse the galaxies, a Kalpana is born. Karnal, a small town in India. A little girl roamed the woods and roads on her bicycle to the flying club out there. She dreamt of the skies, of the stars, of the vast silence beyond. She had a passion to explore new worlds. Kalpana dreamt of breaking barriers to prove that there were worlds beyond worlds for human beings to endeavor in their quest. This slender, petite girl set herself goals and achieved them with single-minded determination. Her diamond core sparkled from her eyes and her beaming smile. Excellence knows no boundaries. In my beginning is my end, and in my end is my beginning. Kalpana lived her life to inspire future generations to join her as a citizen of the galaxies.
Colossal changes have occurred which have challenged society's perception of women's strength. It is well said, don't let anyone tell you you are weak because you are a woman. And Marie Kom proved that there is nothing in this whole world that a woman cannot do. Mary Kom was born in a small village in Manipur. Mary Kom took a keen interest in athletes since her childhood. The success of Dinku Singh is what really inspired her to become a boxer. But her parents felt boxing is too masculine for a young girl. She had to struggle and face a lot of opposition from her family and friends. But it is well said, you face your greatest opposition when you are closest to your biggest miracle. As a young girl being a boxer, she faced many hurdles. She proved everyone wrong and won the Best Boxer Award at Manipur State Women Boxing Championship in 2000. She was only 18 years when she won her first international debut. She faced many obstacles including hunger, gender biasness, but all these never pulled her back and decreased her willpower. After she became a parent, people thought her career ended. But she continued to challenge her own abilities and worked even more harder for her passion. Mary Kom became the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. Even at the age of 36 and mother of 3, she won the gold medal at 2018 Gold Coast Commonwealth Games. Thank you for inspiring and motivating us to be stubborn for our dreams. Women are gradually making their leadership presence felt in every field. They are constantly evolving and reaching new milestones across a wide spectrum of human activities. The world has witnessed the advent of women leaders, and among them is Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi is remembered as a dynamic, deeply committed, gracious, elegant, and at the same time, a leader unrelenting in her commitment to India and her people, and unwavering in her resolve. A selfless leader and a global statesperson, she was truly a multifaceted personality. She became India's first, and till date, the only woman Prime Minister, and went on to serve from 1966 to 1977. The people of India will always remember Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi as a courageous daughter of India, a people's leader who led by example, a statesperson with an uncompromisingly secular outlook, a leader who lived her life frugally and selflessly, a personality admired and revered by world leaders. The nation will always remember her as one who lived and died for India.
It's often that there is a discrimination against women in science, but women are born to bring change, and Marie Curie is the biggest example of it. She gave a biggest contribution in science and technology and gave a remarkable inspiration to the younger generation.
Madame Curie. Madame Curie is a well-known name in the fields of physics and chemistry. She is known as a woman who broke many barriers in a man-dominated world. She has the enviable record of having been awarded not one but 2 Nobel Prizes. Looking at her background gives us an insight into her struggles and how she overcame them. She was the first woman to receive a doctorate from a French university and also was the first to be a professor of the university. Originally, she was ignored by the Nobel Prize Committee, but later, with a lot of coaxing from other people, she was awarded the prize. Another interesting feature about her was that she did not use her discovery to profit from it. They generously shared the information with fellow researchers. There can be no accolades that will be sufficient to express the contribution of Madame Curie to the field of science, and this is a humble attempt to do so.
To all the women, any combination of 26 alphabets of English literature cannot define the gratitude towards such a strong identity. Thank you for laying the foundation of courage and planting the seed of life for everyone to come into this world. Now, the time has come. Let's hold our hand together to establish equality and bring a change.